Okay, we're going to continue on calculating wages and income. We're going to actually look at commission. The more sales I make, the more I will get paid. So we're going to learn how to calculate a sales-based commission. A percent means out of 100 per 100. For example, 20% is 20 parts per 100. To change a percent to a decimal, move the decimal to the left 2 spaces and get rid of the percent sign. For example, 83.5%, we get rid of the percent sign and move that decimal over 2 places, and it ends up being 0.0835 as a decimal. Okay, you're going to go ahead and practice changing these percents to decimals. Okay, remember on the 1%, I have to have that 0 in front of it, otherwise it would make it 15%. Okay, to change decimals to percents, we're going to do the opposite of what we did to get when going the other direction. Move the decimal to the right 2 places, and then you're going to add a percent sign. So we're going to go ahead and practice changing these decimals to a percent. Commission is an income earned by an individual based on sales the individual makes. Commission becomes a part of the salesperson's salary or wages. Sometimes it's their only income. Other companies pay a salary plus a commission. Companies set their own rate for commissions, so there are no absolute rule, but it is most often a percent of the sale price. A good example of a job would be a car dealership. So the equation for calculating commission is sales price times the percent of sale equals your commission. How it works. George sells diamonds. He earns 5% on his sales. He sells $23,000 this week. How much did he make in straight commission? So we take 5% and change it into a decimal, and we get 0.05. Then we're going to take the amount of sales that he had, which was $23,000, and times it by 0.05 to get $1,150 of commission. These people sell diamonds. They earn commission based on the table. How much does each make in commission? There's a second way commission can be figured. It is based on a quota system. Under this system, the salesman is encouraged to reach a specific quota or level in sales. He will either earn an hourly rate before that level of sales, or his sales will be figured at a lower commission rate below that quota and a higher after the rate after that quota. How it works. Johnny has a weekly quota on car sales of $25,000. For any sales up to his quota, he earns 5% commission. For any sales over 25%, he earns 9% commission. If John sells $30,000 worth of cars this week, how much does he make in commission? So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and change both percentages to decimal. Then I'm going to take the sales minus the quota, which is $25,000, and that leaves us with $5,000. And then we are going to multiply that $25,000 by the 5%, because that's how much he makes on commission until he gets to that $25,000. Then we need to figure out the above quota price. So we had $5,000 above quota, so we're going to multiply that by that 9% and get $450. And then we'll add those two amounts and get together. So he earned $1,700 in commission this week. Okay. Go ahead and you're going to practice figuring out the total commission for these people. These people also sell cars, and they can earn commission based on the table. How much does each make in commission? Review questions. Which direction do you move the decimal if you want to change a percent to a decimal? What is the equation for commission? If you earn 10% commission on $3,596 in sales, how much is your commission?